Hi, this is David Kim with David Kim Group. Welcome to my new listing on 421 Sierra Vista Ave in Mountain View. So this home was newly remodeled with new kitchen, new bathrooms, and new floors, and a lot of other amenities. And we're in a great Mountain View central location near Google and a lot of shopping, and it's a wonderful place to be. Let's take a close look at this house. 420 on Sierra Vista Avenue, unit number 6, is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with 1,560 square foot of living space and 2-car garage. This stunning 2-story home has been fully remodeled with touches of modern design and exquisite attention to detail. Experience a bright and open floor plan with contemporary architecture, high ceilings, large skylights, and recessed lights throughout. New stainless appliances, shaker-style white cabinets, topped with stunning quartz counters, modern fixtures, and hardware. The living and dining room is anchored by the beautiful wood-burning fireplace with French doors opening to the 3 separate outdoor patio and deck areas. Ultra-modern staircase with hidden illumination leads up to the top floor with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a laundry room. Primary bedroom features an ensuite bath with large walk-in shower, dual sinks, and smart mirrors. Additional bath includes dual sinks and a soaking tub with rainfall shower head. Two-car garage with newly refinished flooring. Amazing location with proximity to top Mountain View Los Altos schools, shopping, dining, cafes, and urban amenities. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or would like to see the property in person, please give me a call at 650-733-4111. Again, thank you so much and have a great day.